Arif, I'm going to ask you a very brief question, and I'm moving to audience questions. So very briefly, predictive maintenance. It came up a lot when I was talking to people, even though we were talking about capital projects, which sort of surprised me a little bit because obviously you kind of associate that with the operational side. But is this just a reflection of people understand predictive maintenance and the digital technologies that can be used, or is it really that they're starting to plan their maintenance cycles from very early in their projects and making sure they've got everything in place?
It's brilliant you're asking me this question, especially for a construction company. As this reminds me of, the cycle you described in the beginning, from design to construction to commissioning to operation and maintenance. Everyone's trying to do their job right at that phase. It reminds me of a say once that they folded the eyes of 5 people and let them touch an elephant, and everyone described different objects because nobody sees the full elephant. And this is probably the construction industry today. Nobody's looking at, or rarely looking at, the full life cycle. Every project, capital project, is an asset. This asset is part of a system, and that system is part of a bigger complex system. That's why we look at infrastructure as systems of systems. Unless we look at that as owners, we have like Aramco here, the contractor like CC, and back to the technology provider like SmartVed and Oracle. Unless we all think of the full life cycle and design the operation and maintenance, which includes the predictive maintenance from day one, having a proper IoT strategy, big data strategy, cloud or cloud on the edge to minimize latency and other things, and be able later on to design machine learning and artificial intelligence for predictive maintenance. Unless we do that from day one and the full cycle, and even if we don't realize the value, what was myth 5 years back is reality today. So let's design the IoT and collect the data, and who knows in 5 years what machine learning technique would be there to even improve far more than what predictive maintenance can give us today.